Looking for a gaming monitor under $300? Today we're comparing two popular options, the MSI Mag 275QF and the Samsung Odyssey G5. Let's find out which one is the winner. Both monitors share the same screen size at 27 inches and the same resolution at 1440p, which means you get sharp images and plenty of screen space for gaming. But here's where things get different. The MSI Mag 275QF uses a flat rapid IPS panel. This gives you better viewing angles and more accurate colors. The Samsung Odyssey G5 uses a curved VA panel with a steep 1000R curve. This curve wraps around your vision but comes with narrower viewing angles. Speed matters in gaming, and the MSI pulls ahead here. It offers 180Hz refresh rate compared to Samsung's 144 or 165Hz depending on the model. That's 36 extra frames per second for smoother gameplay. Response time is where MSI really shines. It has a fast 0.5 millisecond response while the Samsung sits at 1 millisecond. This means less motion blur when things get fast and chaotic on the screen. Both monitors support adaptive sync to prevent screen tearing. The MSI works with both AMD and NVIDIA cards without issues. The Samsung also supports FreeSync, though some users report flickering problems with certain games. Neither monitor wins any awards for build quality. Both have basic stands that only tilt, no height adjustment or rotation available. Users complain about wobbly stands on both models, especially the MSI. But the MSI does have better color coverage, though it doesn't quite hit 100% sRGB. The Samsung's VA panel offers deeper blacks and significantly better contrast, which looks great in dark rooms. So, which should you buy? If you want the absolute fastest gaming experience with better colors and viewing angles, go with the MSI Mag 275QF. If you prefer a curved screen with deeper blacks and can save some money, the Samsung Odyssey G5 is still solid. That's it for today's comparison. Thanks for watching.